Hello there guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be repairing a broken lawnmower starter. And the reason the starter's broken is because of this. One of these flew off into oblivion, and now the starter doesn't work. So I went ahead and in Fusion 360, I modeled it up, and as you can see, if I can get this to sit, doesn't look like I'm going to be able to, but show you this. Alright, there's that one. There's the other one. Let's see if we can't get these. Yeah, and you can see, like, it's actually pretty accurate. And I'll go ahead and put a picture up of the two side by side. Show you just how accurate this is. So yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the lawnmower and get it running. Alright, so here is the mower that I'm fixing. You see I've already taken the engine cover off, and there it is right there. I'll show you exactly what I need to fix. So it's this bit right here. So this was a temporary solution. These actually came off of a different mower. It's not working as well as I hoped, so I'm just gonna take these out and insert the one original one, 3D printed one, which, oh boy, that's not good. That doesn't fit properly. Well, alright, I'm going to see if I can't figure out how to get that in there. Alright, so I went ahead and drilled out the the 3D printed one. So yeah, now it works. So I'm going to go ahead and assemble this part and its clip, and we should have a working starter. Alright, so I have it reassembled, and watch this. That's exactly what it should do. So, just gonna put it on, back on here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws back on. Alright, so I got the cover back on. As you can see, I have tied the kill switch closed. So I'm just gonna go over here, prime it. I'm going to do it about 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go back over here and give this a pull. And it runs. Now, working starter, printed parts. But not awesome. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this, please consider liking and subscribing. So thank you for watching the G-Force.